So, what do you like to study?
Algebraic expression is done.
Expression is fine. We have done in mathematics. Expression is multiplication, and multiplication you have done.
Multiplication, sir. 1 minute, sir.
I told you multiplication in two variables, na? Yesterday.
Yes, sir. Sir, the last bracket will be of the 3 variables like 8x square plus 14x plus minus 15 like this.
It's very difficult, you know. What is the question you are saying? Well, you have that sheet. I send you the sheet, na?
Yes, sir.
Do I have with me?
Sir, I have that sheet now.
If you have that sheet, that is fine. But I should also have. Okay, let me check.
सर आपका फोन चार्ज हो रहा है क्या?
No, this phone is charging, man. Okay. So we have done. We did exercise
Yes, sir.
2. Then multiplying 8.3 is there. We have done this also.
0.3. Yes, sir.
8.3 we have done. Then we have 8.4. Last one.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is of multiplication or division?
It is on multiplication. It is on multiplication. Fine. So question is like that. See, there is a question number 1 we have. Not question number 1 as per your book. It is third. Question number 3. What are you doing?
And nothing, sir. It is a sound produced by scale.
Okay. So this is question number 3, 8th part. Right?
Yes, sir.
And what is that? A plus B plus C. Bracket A plus B minus C. Like that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can do it in 2 methods. One we can do like A bracket A plus B plus C plus B bracket A plus B plus C minus C bracket A plus B plus C. Like this?
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now
Sir, it
it
is
becomes,
grouping.
now we will do it like this. A squared plus AB plus AC plus AB plus B squared plus BC minus AC minus BC minus C squared. Like this?
Yes, sir.
You get it? I multiplied this A with this, A with
Sir,
this,
A square.
and A with this.
Okay.
Again, I multiplied B with this, B with this, and with this. And then I multiplied my negative C with A, with B, and with C. Getting? So you get this. So we can write here minus AC plus AC. Cancel out. Plus BC minus BC is gone. Right? So you have A square plus B square minus C square, right? Minus C square plus they will be added together. This and this will be added together and you get plus 2AB, right? Or you can write it like this: A plus B, A square, B square plus 2AB, right? Minus C square, right? Anyway, you forget about this. This is your answer. Product is like this. The one way we can solve it like this. Another way is that the equation is given you. It is given you A plus B plus C bracket A plus B minus C, right? Now we have difference of 2 square. So we can write it like this. We can write it like this: A plus B whole square minus C square, right? We use identity, difference of two squares, right? We get like this. When we expand it, we get A square plus B square plus 2AB minus C square. Or we can write A square plus B square minus C square plus 2AB. So this is how you can do this. You get the same value. What you get here, you get the same here, right? This is method 1. Method 1. This is method
Yes, sir.
2.
Nothing, sir.
This is method 2. You get
Only 1
this?
minute. So let me write, sir.
Yeah. Keep on writing, man.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, the rest of the questions, sir, we have to do with these two methods.
No. We will use one method. Either this one,
No,
either
sir.
this one. That's all.
Sir,
Huh?
out of these two, we have to use only one method to solve rest of the questions.
Yes. Out of these two means, yeah. either first one, either second one you can get. You can do and you will get the same thing. क्या मतलब?
सर दोनों में से कोई एक यूज करना है ना, यही पूछ रहा हूँ.
Obviously एक ही यूज करेंगे ना. Why should we use two methods? If condition is like this, right? All the questions are of same kind, you know.
Okay, sir.
Now come to question number 6. Question number 6, right? You done this? Come to question number 6, right? What is that? That is A plus B into C minus D plus A minus B bracket C plus D plus 2 AC plus BD. You get it? We have to simplify, right? Simplify. Are you with me?
Yes, sir, I am listening.
No, you not listen, do also.
Yes, sir, I am doing both.
Okay, so first we multiply these two, right? So we will get C bracket A plus B minus D bracket A plus B, right? Plus now C bracket A minus B plus D bracket A minus B. You get this?
Sir, I am doing.
Plus 2 AC plus BD, right? So when we will solve it, we will get AC plus BC minus AD minus BD, right? Plus AC minus AB.
यार ये सी कहाँ से बट
C is given, na? CA into minus AB. AC minus oh, plus CA minus BC plus AD minus BD, right? Plus 2 AC plus BD. अभी क्या हुआ? अभी what we are getting?
कुछ नहीं सर।
AD plus minus AD is cancel.
सर
Minus
तो यहाँ
BC
पे सी माइनस डी और
and B cancel. Right? हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो.
सर यहाँ पे सर सी माइनस डी प्लस सी और प्लस सी, सी माइनस डी और सी प्लस डी क्यों हमने चूज किया? हम लोग ए प्लस बी या फिर ए माइनस बी भी तो चूज कर सकते थे। हमने सी माइनस डी और सी प्लस डी क्यों चूज किया?
What is given here? A plus B
सर
into C minus D plus A minus B into C plus D. This is given us.
यस सर।
So when it is given us, so definitely I have chosen AB as a constant and multiplied by first by C, then minus D, then plus C, then plus D. A minus B I chosen. You can choose this one also. There is no problem at all. You will get the same thing.
ओके सर।
So what you will get now? AC plus AC. What?
नथिंग सर।
You are going to get now this AC and this AC will be added together. It becomes 2AC. Right? Then
सॉल्व तो करने दो।
minus BD minus minus 2BD. Right? We have taken this BD and this BD minus BD. Right? Bracket. We have taken plus 2AC plus BD. Right? Now you will take 2 as a common. Here we will take 2 as a common. So it becomes AC minus BD. AC my 2 bracket AC minus BD plus 2 bracket AC plus BD plus BD. Now what you will do? You take 2 as a common. You will get AC minus BD plus AC plus BD. Right? When you open the bracket, 2 bracket AC minus BD plus AC plus BD. Right? This minus BD plus BD is cancelled out. You will get 2 bracket 2AC. So it becomes 4AC. Your answer will be 4AC. You get it now?
यस सर, बट सर आई एम सॉल्विंग विद फर्स्ट मेथड नॉट सेकंड मेथड।
First method ही applicable है. Second is not applicable here.
सर
Yeah.
नथिंग सर, जस्ट
Hello. You get it, man? Ah.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now come
But
to
sir, I have solved with the first method because first method is easy for me. That is why I'm solving only with first method.
I'm telling you here only applicable first method. Second method is not applicable in this. Do you understand?
Yes, sir, I have understood. Sir, but I am not angry.
No, I'm not angry. I'm just saying the first method is only applicable here. Second, we have not to apply.
Okay, sir.
Okay, should I do?
Yes, sir.
Now you come to question number 2, part 1.
Part 1?
Question number 2, part 1.
Achha.
I'm not talking something, right? That is what? 5 minus 2x bracket
With exercise 8.3.
8.4
Okay, sir.
bracket 3 plus x. You get this? You get this?
Yes, sir.
ये क्वेश्चन मिल गया आपको?
Yes, sir, I have found out.
Fine. It is exercise 8.4. So you have a question 5 minus 2x, right? 5 minus 2x into 3 plus x, right? So I freeze this, right? So we can write it like this, that 3 bracket 5 minus 2x plus x bracket 5 minus 2x. Got it? First I multiplied this 5 minus 2x by 3, then I multiplied by f plus x. Right? So how much you will get? 15 minus 6x plus 5x minus 2x square. Right? So how much you will get? 15 minus 6x plus 5x becomes minus x. Minus x. Minus 2x square. Right? This is your answer. I hope you get. Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I am solving just 1 minute.
Solve it.
Sir, done.
Okay. Now come to third. Question number 3. Sorry, question number 2, part 3. Right? What is that? A square plus B bracket A plus B square. Getting? You get A square plus B into A plus B square. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay, great. So again, what I did, I freeze this one, right? And I multiplied first by A. Okay. So this is A bracket A squared plus B plus B squared bracket A squared plus B. You get this? Now when you multiply, it becomes A cube plus AB plus A square B square A square B square plus what? Plus B cube. Is it so? A cube plus AB B A square B square plus B cube. So we can write here A cube plus B cube plus A square B square plus AB. Is it? This is the answer. Getting?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, how is there B cube, sir? It is only
B square into B becomes B cube. In multiplication powers add हो जाती हैं.
हाँ सर ओ
So because of that. You done?
सर 1 minute सर doing. Sir, do you know?
What?
Sir, do you know Lucifer?
Lucifer?
Lucifer, sir, Lucifer.
Who is Lucifer?
Sir, demon.
I won't heard about him. What is that?
Sir, he is a demon. He's the king of hell.
He's king of hell.
Yes, sir. King of
So we are studying math. Where you reach in hell? If you talk about heaven, that is fine. Why you are talking about hell? You are talking about Julius Caesar.
Julius Caesar?
I hope Lucifer is there.
Yes, sir.
So, in maths, what is the role of Lucifer? This question belongs to Lucifer?
No, no, sir.
Huh? You have done this?
Yes, sir.
Very great. One of the great people you are. So, come to question number 4. Right? Can you read that? What is your question number 4?
Sir, I have to read.
Yes, read.
Okay, sir, just 1 minute.
Yeah. How much time you need for reading, man? अभी कितना टाइम लगेगा पढ़ने में भाई? हेलो.
Yes, sir, I am reading.
How much time?
8.4. Sir,
कितना
which
टाइम
question?
लगेगा यार पढ़ने में, रीड करने में?
Sorry, sir, which question? 4.
Question number 2, part 4.
Sir, p square minus q square bracket
Wait, p squared minus q
minus q
squared,
square.
bracket off, bracket on, then
Sir, 2p
2p
plus q.
plus q. Okay, great. This you get? Now,
So this
how
is
you
the
will solve?
question.
Obviously this is question. So
So this is
now
the
we
question.
will, what you do? You will freeze this one. This
फट
is,
जाए.
hello.
Yes, yes, sir, I am listening.
You are freezing this p square minus q square. So first we are multiplying with 2p bracket p square minus q square plus q bracket p square minus q square. You get this much? Sure.
Yes, sir, I am solving.
What solving? You don't solve, man. You just see here what I'm saying.
Okay, sir.
You note it down? लिख लिया
Yes, sir,
आपने?
I know it.
नहीं, आपने
Yes,
लिख
sir.
लिया?
Yes, sir, yeah.
क्या लिखा? बोलो, पढ़ो.
Sir, 2p bracket p square minus q square bracket off plus q bracket p square minus q square bracket off.
Okay, good. Now this 2p is multiplied by p squared, so we get 2p cube minus 2p q square, right? Plus p square q minus q cube, right? So nothing can be done between these two. So we will write it like this: p cube 2p cube minus 2pq square plus p square q minus q cube, right? Get it?
Yes, sir.
You get this answer?
Yes, sir, I get it.
Okay. Should I run now?
So just 1 minute, sir.
Why you need 1 minute, man? What are you doing?
Sir, writing the answer.
Oh. Oh. Done, I hope.
Yes, sir.
You done this, na?
Yes, sir.
Great, man. Now come to question number 1. How you do question number 1?
Let me see.
Yes, definitely you see how you can do
Multiply
that.
by one.
To whom you're talking, man?
So which question, sir? Question number one, which part?
Do the second.
Second.
That is y minus 8 bracket 3y minus 4. 3y minus 4. So how you will do this? Now you take a constant this, freeze this. So you write here y bracket 3y minus 4 minus 8 bracket 3y minus 4. Get this? इतना आ गया?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So it becomes 3y square minus 4y
4y.
minus 8 times 3 becomes,
24.
so it is minus 24y minus minus plus 4 times 8 becomes
Sir, 832.
32. You get 32 here. So now 3y square minus 4y minus 24y becomes minus 28y plus 32.
Yes,
It will be your answer. Right?
sir.
You get this?
Yes, sir. I got this.
Okay. You get the same answer you are getting?
Sir, it's the same answer I'm getting.
Okay. Now come to fourth part. This was part 1. Now come to the fourth part. What is that? What is fourth part?
Fourth, sir, a plus 3b bracket off.
Just wait. A plus 3b bracket of, then
X plus 5.
x plus 5. Great. X plus 5. So what we will do, we will freeze this, right? So what we will do now? We will write x bracket a plus 3b. Hey yaar. Hey.
कौन है?
Yeah. Give it to me. चलो ये तो मत छू यार, तुम्हें जा रहा हूँ. Sorry. Hello.
Yes, sir.
हो गया भाई? You done?
Yes, sir.
You done?
Sir, I will do this by my own.
You can do, man. X
Sir.
into a plus 3b plus 5 bracket a plus 3b. Right? This x is multiplied to this. We get ax. This x multiplied by this. We get 3bx. Right? This 5 is multiplied by a. You get 5a. And this 5 is multiplied by b. You get 15b. Getting?
Yes, sir.
This is the solution. Ax plus 3bx plus 5a plus 15b. This is the solution. You get it?
Yes, sir.
सही है?
So I've got the same answer.
मैं किसको सेम आंसर? किसका सेम आंसर?
Sir, मेरा.
Okay. Come to question number 5. Part 5th.
Fifth.
Part 5th. Part 5th of question number 1 is 2pq plus 3q square bracket 3pq minus 2q square. Minus 2q square. Is this? What you are playing with the phone, your mobile phone? Sometimes you are bringing in portrait form, then you are bringing in landscape. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Keep it in a one form. Anyway, you make a note of this. ये question आपने लिख लिया?
Yes, sir.
2pq plus 3q square bracket on 3pq minus 2q square bracket on off. ठीक है? अभी क्या करेंगे हम?
तो सॉल्व करेंगे और क्या?
मसला बड़ा गंभीर है. ये हुआ ये. ठीक है? ओके. So 3pq
क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग?
3pq bracket 2pq plus 3q square bracket of minus 2q square bracket 2pq plus 3q square. Is this so?
Sir,
Hmm?
sir, if we will solve 3pq and 2pq, sir, the answer will be 6pq or 6p square q square.
6p square q square, na? When you
P
multiply
square
with
q square.
this, then you will get 6p square q square. 3 times 3 becomes 9. 9.
3 times.
3 times 3.
Okay, sir.
3 times 3 becomes 9. Then p q cube. Right? Minus 2 times 2 becomes 4. 4 pq cube. pq cube. Minus plus minus minus 2 times 3 becomes 6. Q raised to the power 4. Right? So what you will get? They can be calculated. They are in like terms. Right?
Yes, sir.
So 6p square q
Q
square
square.
plus minus 9 is having greater numerical value, so we'll take sign of plus. 9 minus 4 becomes 5. 5 p q cube minus 6 q raised to the power 4. You get this? You get this?
Yes, sir.
Great, man. This is the answer?
Yes, sir.
Good. We have answer.